Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today I just wanted to put a bit of clarity on a theory that I've been hearing about if you want to load Amiga songs into your Renoise. Now, I'm going to give this a go just to show you guys where we're at, just to put the theory to rest. Now, when you open up a song on Renoise, you literally go to here, and there's not many file options apart from .rns files. Now, I've got a folder here I've literally set up in 2018, which this is actually a load of songs that are brought in from my Commodore Amiga on compact flash disk. And as you can see, if I go to the actual folder externally, you will see that this is the folder here. Now, I'm getting songs from my Amiga, and I'm going to change the file extension to .mod. And it asks me if I want to change them to mod. I say yes, which is the theory. So when I change it to mod now, and then I go back into my Renoise, and then I try to open that file, this is what happens. So we go to here, sound library 2018. Now, it does seem to recognize the mod files, whether they're mod files or not. So I literally go to open it, and then I get this error: unknown or unsupported file type. So let's try one more thing that's crazy. Let's label it to RNS or whatever it is. I believe that's a Renoise file. Let's try that. Now, I've also heard a theory of if you load it in another tracker program. Comment down below and let me know about that. That it works. So let's go again, back into here. Songs. Okay, so it recognizes that as a, what do you call it? Reason file. So forget that. Alright, so let's go back and let's try one last theory. I'm just going to try this just to try something new. Okay, so XRNS is the file that we need. So let's try creating that or changing that to XRNS. XRNS, right? Here we go. So again, .xrns, which makes it a Renoise track. Now let's see what happens. Because I'm dying to load up my songs on on Renoise. I would like to know a way to do it, which would be pretty cool. Because as I say, Renoise is Octamed on steroids. See, it doesn't work. Okay, so I'll put that theory to rest, guys. Do you guys know any way to import mod files, let's say, into Renoise, or Amiga files into Renoise? Comment down below, like, share, subscribe. Take care, God bless, peace.